and it's be raining. War! There's a person right there.
That's okay.
No, not in there. It walked right past there.
Lightning. Lightning.
Are you making a video?
I am.
I thought that lightning.
Well, that one's pretty close. To be truthful, I think it's coming towards us. Yep, the rainstorm's coming towards us. So the moon's gonna disappear.
Soon?
Yeah, probably in the next 20 to half an hour. And we're gonna get rain. Sorry, V. Whoa.
Look, the moon. I'm scared.
Okay, you can go back inside.
No, I'm just scared of the lightning right because it sounds creepy.
You mean the thunder? Thunder makes sound. Lightning is just visual.
Yeah. Careful not that. Don't worry, it's only a thunder. Look like the pet. Look like the doggy. Look like a thunder. Like a house.
V, you have a crazy imagination.
The thunderstorm is coming near that. Listen, can you see a little white cloud right there? Right there, Daddy.
Yep.
Yep. I like green out here, but it's wet. No, it's not wet. It's just cold. That's the thunder. That's the sound I made. That's the sound I heard when I was playing. I thought the dumbbells rolled. Yeah, that was me. That's the sound. A woo! It was raining before earlier.
That's right, it was when we were napping.
Are you making a lot of videos?
Just a single one.
Ow. I hurt my toe.